Fleas and ticks carry an array of diseases that not only affect your lovely pets but can also harm their human owners too. If you've ever had a flea or tick bite, you can attest to the discomfort those little pests can inflict. As much as we love our fur babies and want to keep them safe, topical flea and tick preventatives may not be the safest option for your pets. Recently, the FDA issued a warning for the potential for neurologic adverse events in dogs and cats when treated with pills or chews that are in the isoxazoline class. Isoxazolines are pesticides introduced in the 2010s as veterinary products to protect against fleas and ticks in dogs. The chemical is designed to interfere with an insect's nervous system and not that of a mammal. However, isoxazoline products have been linked to neurologic adverse reactions, including muscle tremors, ataxia, and seizures in some dogs and cats. 3 natural alternative for flea and tick control. There are a number of natural ways to get fleas and ticks off your pets. Here are 3 of the best. Eliminate their breeding ground. Ticks and fleas come from outside. These pests tend to enjoy living in tall grass and where there is heat and moisture. Regular trimming and grass cutting are a good place to start. Use a flea comb. This inexpensive option will help you remove fleas, eggs, and ticks from deep within your pet's fur. Flea combs are really cheap and available in all pet stores or online here. Use a natural flea and tick powder. A natural flea and tick powder are easy to make at a fraction of the cost of the commercial medication. First of all, this powder is not a preventative. It's a topical application that will kill fleas, ticks, and other biting insects on contact. It will not enter your pet's bloodstream like the internal and topical preventatives. Before we continue, if you like this video so far and you're considering using these methods for your pet, share the video with your friends. Check our channel for more healthy and natural remedies. How to make natural flea and tick powder. This natural powder uses diatomaceous earth, neem powder, and essentials oils. That's it. Diatomaceous earth or DI is a non-toxic powder made of the crushed fossils of freshwater and marine organisms. On a microscopic level, it resembles bits of broken glass. The tiny glass-like fragments kill fleas and ticks by piercing their protective structures, which causes them to dehydrate and die. It's harmless to humans and animals. Food-grade DI can be taken internally to get rid of roundworms, whipworms, pinworms, and hookworms in dogs. Neem powder is a natural repellent. It can be used topically to repel and kill common biting insects, including mosquitoes, biting midges, and fleas. It's not very effective with killing or preventing ticks. There are several essential oils known for their insect repellent abilities: citronella, peppermint, and eucalyptus. Check out our video on these repelling plants. There are more combinations that work better for specific pests, but this combination takes care of fleas and mosquitoes effectively. Before we continue, if you're enjoying the video so far, take a moment to subscribe to our channel. We have many more useful tips and tricks on how to live a healthier lifestyle. Ingredients: arrowroot powder, neem powder, food-grade diatomaceous earth, powder duster. We've provided a link for those who find this hard to find. Peppermint essential oil, citronella essential oil, eucalyptus essential oil. Mix 3 equal parts arrowroot powder, neem powder, and DI. The arrowroot helps to blend and dilute the other ingredients. This will allow for multiple uses without irritating your pet's skin. Add 30 drops of each of the peppermint, eucalyptus, and citronella oils. Mix well. Put the powder into a shaker or powder duster. A powder duster will effectively distribute the mix into your dog's fur with little waste. How to use. Do this outside. Protect your dog's face from the power, it can cause irritation. Pump the powder onto your dog's fur. Use your hands to rake and massage the powder into the fur. Repeat as needed. A fine dusting will remain on the outer coat. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please take a moment to like the video and share it with your friends. We love giving you helpful, healthy, and natural remedies for you to try.